I'm trusting my MMO website to a local AI, but it keeps hallucinating. So today we're forcing the AI to build an agent tracker so I can spy on its mistakes. Let's wake up the server. Starting off, we're going to set up the new extend class API tracker. So this is going to track everything that the agents do, so I can actually go back and see where they stuff it up or what files they change and have a better documentation of it. Yeah, it's completed it already. I think that the table of this is not actually correct. It would actually probably be quicker for me to just create these if I just copied this to this. That's actually why I made this in the first place. Have we run out of credits already? Man, we've barely done anything. I guess we're only using 2.5 Flash though, so I don't know what this construct does either. We don't need that. I don't think we want it to self-start. I mean, the log step is fine. Don't need any of that. All right. So now we've got Agent Tracker, which is done as a base. That was just a bit of a waste of time, really. I could have just copied and pasted that a lot easier. Finally figured it out. Man, this took like 20 minutes just to add a new class, which is not good. I think it actually slowed me down in this instance just to add this agent tracking class. All right, we'll try a smarter model. Maybe we'll go Flash Preview, Gemini 3 Flash Preview. We'll see if this can handle this. Class extends agent tracker extend. And we'll just do plan first and see what it does. Agent tracker page is good. Did that pretty quick. Gemini 3 Flash is a lot faster. All right, it's done. What does it do? Create a visual dashboard in tracker. Hopefully it's added the tracker page. The page was called Agent Tracker. See what it shows. Nice. That is actually really good. Gemini 3 Flash is a lot smarter. Now we've got to build the logic in, I guess. That was very good. Only 36k tokens and 7 cents. So not bad. API tracker page. Oh, it's done it. Nice. It's created a tracker page. It can take post objects. And the response is clean JSON. All looks fairly good. Let's just check. I think we'll just restrict access to local requests only, because nothing else is going to be logging there. Yeah, it's told me how I can do it myself. There you go. Allowed IPs. I guess we'll just add that to API tracker manually, and then we'll save that. Save all the credits. We'll do that. Yeah, that should work. So try that again. Project. It says action logged to agent tracker. I'll just test. All right, let's see if we can get the line bot to find this error. See if we can find the problem. It did a test and it got rid of my allowed IP script. It didn't like that. You'd notice that I'd added that. And now it's testing again without my code and see if it works. I'm pretty sure it's still not working though. I'll just test back to this one. Just put that on a different screen. Nope, still not logging anything. Let's see what it's doing. It seems to be freezing up. I hate waiting for this stuff. So annoying. There we go. Access denied, local requests only. Maybe that is the IP we're actually using. I think it's getting to be complicated. Get stuck in a loop of some sort. So this is completed now. Let's see if we've got anything logging. Hopefully we do now. Come on. Yes, we do. Project tracker, fixed API logging and IP restriction completed. We need to add more details into this because this is not really telling us what it's done. So we need to change this to add project details into each of these. All right, so we're going to add details in category, and then hopefully the next log will actually have that, and then we can add the Gemini rule for it. All right, agent tracker, it's actually adding the category as well, which is good. So let's just switch over to this. Reload. Yeah, it's going to be big here. I think it's still not logging the full details. All right, it says it's done it now. Comprehensive logging. Let's see. Come on, agent tracker. It's going to be massive. Yeah, there we go. So now it's finally logging full detail. So I think we need to have a more or less here, but otherwise that's pretty good. So logged full final response. And then here, if we check the agent trackers, we have it listing. And then if we look at it, we've got everything. So now we have a full agent tracker built into the site. So we can see all of the things that it is changing. So that's pretty cool. Took a little while. I think it probably took around almost an hour, I think, prompting just to get to this stage, but it looks good. And now for future tasks, we're all good. All right, that's one.